Hello, in this short video I'm gonna try to explain what charger should you use to charge TOZO T20. And truth to be told, there is no recommended charger that you should use to charge TOZO T20. And in the manual we can only find the information about, for instance, the charging box capacity, the battery capacity, which is 500 milliamp hours. So I've tried to use the wireless charger and it works completely fine. This one is not so strong, but it does the work anyway. So you can use one to charge the charging case. You can also use the USB cable, which I have over here, in order to connect the case to your laptop or PC, and this should work completely fine as well. However, the cable is quite short, so unless you have a longer one or you don't mind the short cable, then it should be fine. Then in addition to that, I also used my smartphone charger that I have over here. And this one is definitely a bit bigger. It has 33 watt and it still worked fine. So you can also use the charger from your smartphone in order to charge the case. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos.